Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can use Tween. So first we might want to insert a part. Next thing, make sure to insert a script inside the part. So we are going to make a variable, so local part equals to script.parent. Next thing that we want to do is to get the Tween service. So local Tween equals to game column get service Tween service. After then, we want to insert the Tween info. So local Tween informations equals to Tween info.new. So inside this bracket, we're going to insert the information about our Tween. So number of times, so it's written right there. First add one here, so this is the number of time it will repeat, number of time the Tween will be playing. Next thing is the enum dot easing style dot. So choose any one you want. I'm going to choose linear because it's super smooth. Make sure to add a comma after the easing style, and then enum dot easing direction dot in. So you can choose in, out, and out. So number of time it will repeat. I will add a 0 here. 0 means one time. Next thing is that we want it to reverse. I'm going to add 2, comma, number of delay is 2. And next thing that we want to do is to make a table. So local Tween. So local Tween properties equals to we add curly brackets, and inside those curly brackets we are going to add the properties. So let's say we want to change its color, so color free, so color equals color free dot from RGB. I want to choose this color. I'm just going to copy it. After this, make sure to add this sign. Then next thing that you want to do is to add some properties. So I'm just going to size equals to vector3.new 10 by 10. I'm going to set it 8 by 8 by 8. And its transparency to 0.4, so transparency. Make sure that the properties name are the same, not transparency, but transparency with a capital T. Next thing, we are going to add another variable, so local Tween create equals to Tween, which is the service, Tween create column create, and then we are going to specify part, insert the Tween informations, and then the properties, Tween properties, just like that. And we can say Tween create column play. So this is going to play the Tween, and then we want it to wait a few seconds, so 4 seconds. Tween column cancel. Oops. So let's run this. Interesting. I'm just going to anchor it. Click on run. As you can see, it worked. So you can add a while wait do. Right. Let's run the game. So you will see that it will increase its size, color and transparency. So everything that you set in properties will be included in the tween. So next thing that I want to show is the GUI. So let me insert a screen GUI, a frame. Alright, so I will put it right there. I'm going to put a local script inside the frame. And then local frame equals to script.parent. Local tween service, so we are going to get the tween service. So local tween service equals to game get service tween service. Alright, so next thing that we want to do is the tween information. So local tween information equals to tween info dot new. So number of time that it will play, one time, enum dot easing style dot linear. So for this one I'm going to choose elastic. Make sure to add a comma. Enum dot easing direction dot out, and then number of time that it will repeat, so I will add 1 here, so it will repeat 2 times, so it will repeat 2 times. And then bool reverse, which means only true or false, so I'm going to set it to true, which means that it will reverse. And then number of delay, I'm going to set this to 1. Alright, next thing that we want to do is the properties. So local tween properties equals to a table, so curly brackets, and here we will add all the properties. So background color, we want to change the background color. Color free equals to color free dot from RGB, sorry, excuse me. So I will pick a random color, this one. Alright. And then background transparency, so background transparency equals to 0.5, and we can also set its size to 1. Alright, say size equals to UDMT dot new 1, 0, 1, 0. Alright, so that's all I want to do. Now we're going to create the tween, so local tween create equals to tween service create frame tween info so tween information, tween properties. Alright, so now we can play it. So tween create column play. Now let's run it. It's over here. Close. Alright, for some reason it's not playing. No errors. Let's say print try. Let's play instead of running the script. So wait. Background color free equals color free dot from RGB let's try it. As you can see, it did work. Alright. So thank you all guys for watching. If you need any help, make sure to join my Discord. It will be in the link down below. Goodbye.